Hola. Esta ocasión te traemos un video acerca de los nombres de las ocupaciones o trabajos en inglés. También incluye una canción acerca de las ocupaciones. Te deseo que la disfrutes y aprendas o repases este vocabulario. Si te agrada, compártela con amistades, familiares, docentes y estudiantes. Hasta luego.
A doctor is a person who helps sick people and gives medicine. A teacher is a person who helps students learn new things. A chef is a person who cooks food in a restaurant.
A musician is a person who plays music.
A student is a person who goes to school to learn. A singer is a person who sings songs. An artist is a person who makes paintings, drawings, or sculptures. A photographer is a person who takes pictures with a camera. An attendant is a person who helps people in a place, like a store or a gas station. A pilot is a person who flies an airplane.
A doctor helps when you feel bad, gives you medicine, don't be sad. A teacher helps you read and write, learning makes your future bright. Who are they? Come and see, sing and learn with me. A chef makes food so good to eat. Tasty meals, a yummy treat. A musician plays a song so sweet, with the rhythm and the beat. Who are they? Come and see, sing and learn with me. A student learns at school each day, reading, writing, work and play. A singer sings with voice so strong, soft or loud, short or long. An artist paints with colors bright, draws and sculpts, what a sight. A photographer takes great pics, smiles and poses, click, click, click. That friend and helps in many ways, smiles and poses, click, click, click. An attendant helps in many ways, at the store or gas each day. A pilot flies up in the sky, high and fast the planes go by. Who are they? Now we know. Sing again, let's start the show.